Bollywood now caught the newlywed couple exclusively. Ravi and Sargun, welcome to Bollywood Now and congratulations for the wedding, yeah?
Thank you so much.
You guys are looking so stunning after the marriage, of course. I mean, with the chuda and very nice. You're looking absolutely good.
Thank you.
Since you've shot for the calendar, how was it?
It was a beautiful experience. Praveen ji is very, very comfortable to work with, and he captures you in your best, in the most natural moments.
Right.
And it just went by. It was fun. We were having fun, and he kept clicking.
Right.
Yeah, basically that. I mean, Praveen is somebody who's very
Easy to work with.
very easy to work with. Plus, he's somebody who's got a very subtle vision to relationships and moments. I think So, जो अच्छी बात थी वो ये थी कि हमें कुछ we didn't have to really do anything. He was just capturing very
Right.
the time was passing and he was just clicking. So ये उन्हीं में से कुछ moments हैं और बहुत ही candid हैं जैसा आप देख सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं भी कोई couple ऐसा लग रहा है कि they're posing for the camera. It's not like that. So these are very candid moments and he's caught them really beautifully. So it's looking very nice.
Okay, how far life has changed after marriage since you guys were in love before and it's love come arranged
Nothing
marriage?
has changed. Why are people asking us that?
Nothing
Nothing
has
has
changed.
changed.
It's
It's
the same.
as beautiful. We're as much in love. I think even more. Maybe that's the change.
That's a change. Yeah.
And I'm just hoping it keeps growing.
Okay, Valentine's is next month, is around the corner.
We
So,
don't know. Only when he does something, I will have to tell you that what he does on the
So I
Valentine's.
really haven't thought of anything. In all
but
honesty.
he's really pressurized after today's
क्योंकि
night.
हर बंदे ने यही पूछा कि
because
Valentine's पे
everybody's
क्या
asking
करने वाला
me
हो?
that.
exactly, but this is your first Valentine after wedding.
Why this bias? कोई मुझसे ये क्यों नहीं पूछता कि तुम्हारी पहली होली पे तुम क्या करने वाले हो या पहली दिवाली या पहले लेबर डे पे क्या करने
नहीं,
वाले
they're going to
हो
ask
या
you,
पहले
but right
दशहरे पे
now,
क्या करने
but
वाले
right
हो?
now the...
क्यों गणतंत्र दिवस भी आ रहा है द रिपब्लिक डे इज
they're going to ask you that
पहली
also.
लोहड़ी आ रही है
तो आप
सारे
झंडे पे-
पहले पहले
Oh
हमारे
yeah, Lodi is around the corner.
लोहड़ी इज राउंड द
We're
कॉर्नर
going home. We're going home. It's our
Right.
first Lodi. We'll have fun.
Right.
Yeah.
But Valentine's is something that he needs to do something
Okay,
about.
one very naughty question. When you guys fight, who makes up first?
That's so naughty यार.
He.
That's not
He
naughty.
has to.
I make
He has to.
it
Always.
first. What's
Yeah,
it's
always.
That's
like
not fair.
it's as a
Why?
matter of
Why?
fact.
Because I'm always right.
Okay, wife is always right. Okay, one message to all my viewers, especially who are in love across the world.
Just always remember the girl is always right.
Yeah, even if she's on the
That
left,
was
she's
rude,
always right.
yeah, Sargun. No, yeah, not happening.
Not happening.
Ravi,
You
say
asked for a
something.
tip.
Which is what I'm saying, it doesn't
This is his
it
tip
it
too.
doesn't even make any metaphorical sense because when the girl is on the left, how can she be on the right? So it doesn't make any sense.
Maybe
but
I'm
yeah,
always right or no.
you're always right. Yeah.
See?
See, when you have, but yeah, you have to always एक अपना गुरु मंत्र मैं आपको दे देता हूँ शादी करने के बाद कि जब भी लड़की आपसे एक ही चीज़ दो बारी पूछे दूसरी बारी हमेशा उसके साथ एग्री करो क्योंकि the conversation will not go to the third
Yeah.
time.
Well, this was newlywed Ravi and Sargun exclusively on Bollywood Now in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now. And keep watching Bollywood Now for all the latest updates on television and Bollywood.
Hi, I'm Sargun Mehta and please keep watching Bollywood Now.